Numerous abilities are expected for exchanging effectively in the monetary business sectors. They incorporate the capacities to assess an organization's essentials and to decide the course of a stock's pattern. Be that as it may, neither of these specialized abilities is essentially as significant as the merchant's outlook. Containing feeling, thinking rapidly, and practicing discipline are parts of what we could call exchanging brain research. Quick judgment calls. Brokers frequently need to think quick and go with speedy choices, shooting all through stocks without prior warning. To achieve this, they need a specific common sense. They additionally need the discipline to stay with their own exchanging plans and know when to book benefits and misfortunes. Feelings can't disrupt everything. Grasping fear. At the point when brokers discover terrible information about a specific stock or about the economy as a rule, they normally get frightened. They might blow up and feel a sense of urgency to exchange their property and sit on the money, ceasing from facing additional challenges. Assuming that they do, they might stay away from specific misfortunes, however, may likewise pass up certain increases. Merchants need to comprehend what dread is, a characteristic response to an apparent danger. For this situation, it's a danger to their benefit potential. Evaluating the trepidation could help. Brokers ought to consider exactly what they fear, and why they fear it. In any case, that speculation ought to happen before the awful news, not in that frame of mind of it. By considering it early, brokers will know how they see occasions intuitively and respond to them, and can move past the close-to-home reaction. Obviously, this is difficult, however it's important to the well-being of a financial backer's portfolio. Beating greed. There's a well-known axiom on Wall Street that pigs get butchered. This alludes to the propensity covetous financial backers have of clinging to a triumphant position excessively lengthy to triumph when it's all said and done. Insatiability isn't not difficult to survive. It's not unexpected in light of the nature to improve, to get somewhat more. A dealer ought to figure out how to perceive this sense and foster an exchanging plan in light of judicious reasoning. Setting rules. A dealer needs to make governs and follow them when the mental crunch comes. Set out rules in view of your gamble reward capacity to bear, when to enter an exchange and when to leave it. Set a benefit target and set up a stop misfortune. Likewise, you could conclude which explicit occasions, for example, a positive or negative income discharge, ought to set off a choice to trade a stock. It's wise to draw certain lines on the greatest sum you will win or lose in a day. Assuming you hit the benefit target, take the cash and run. In the event that your misfortunes hit a foreordained number, crease up your tent and return home.